Hello everyone. So we are discussing previous year questions of the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation and the topic Inheritance of two genes. In today's session we are going to discuss a short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE Board Delhi Examination 2014. So the question is, Mendel published his work on inheritance of characters in 1865 but it remained unrecognized till 1900. Give 3 reasons for the delay in accepting his work. तो बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि मेंडल ने अपना वर्क 1865 में बता दिया था, पब्लिश कर दिया था, पर उनका वर्क अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड रह गया अंटिल 1900. तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ, उसके लिए हमें रीजंस देने हैं. सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. तो बेटा ऐसा इसीलिए हुआ क्योंकि पहला तो उस टाइम पर कम्युनिकेशन आसान नहीं था, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन आसान नहीं था तो उनका काम ज़्यादा लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच पाया. दूसरा, उन्होंने जो जीन्स का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था कि जीन्स कुछ डिस्क्रीट यूनिट्स होती हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स को कंट्रोल करती हैं और उनमें एलील्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जो ब्लेंड नहीं होते, वो बहुत लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था. देन थर्डली, मेंडल ने बायोलॉजी में मैथमेटिकल अप्रोच लगाई थी जो बहुत सारे बायोलॉजिस्ट ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. एंड लास्टली, वो जीन्स के होने का कोई फिजिकल प्रूफ नहीं दे पाए थे. So the answer is, firstly, communication was not easy as it is now in those days and his work could not be widely publicized. Secondly, his concept of genes or factors in Mendel's words as stable and discrete units that controlled the expression of traits and of the pair of alleles which did not blend with each other was not accepted by his contemporaries as an explanation for the apparently continuous variation seen in nature. Thirdly, Mendel's approach of using mathematics to explain biological phenomena was totally new and unacceptable to many of the biologists of his time. Finally, though Mendel's work suggested that factors, that is genes, were discrete units, he could not provide any physical proof for the existence of factors or say what they were made of. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.